Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group Strategy Management of Kimia Pharma. My name is Medina Aziza Nurlistianti.
My name is Nafisa Kusumawardani.
My name is Siska Islamida.
Table of contents. First, company descriptions. Second, visions and missions. Third, macro external analysis. Fourth, micro external analysis. Fifth, internal analysis. Sixth, SWOT analysis. Seven, BCG analysis. And eight, strategic alternative. And the last, evaluation strategy.
Company description: PT Kimia Pharma Tbk, established in 1817, is Indonesia's first pharmaceutical company, originally named NV Chemicalian Handel Redcam & Co. It was nationalized in 1958 and restructured into a public company in 2001.
The company provides integrated healthcare service, including pharmaceutical manufacturing, distribution, retail, clinical laboratories, and health clinics with over 1,200 pharmacies and numerous production facilities. Kimia Pharma plays a vital role in enhancing public health in Indonesia. It is also part of the pharmaceutical source holding, further expanding its influence in the healthcare sector.
Visions and missions. Visions: become a healthcare company that is the first choice that is integrated and produce sustainable value. And missions one, carrying out business activities in the field of chemical and pharmaceutical industries, trade and distribution network, retail pharmacy and health service, as well as assets optimizations. Missions two, managing the company with good corporate governance and operational excellence support by human resource professional. And the last, providing added value and benefits for all stakeholders.
This is macro external analysis. The total is 2.64. This is micro external analysis. Analysis total competitive profile matrix in Kimia Pharma company is 2.93, and in its competitor company, Kalbe Pharma, is 2.6. This shows that it does not mean that the company with the largest total is better, because the total only describes the company profile. This is internal analysis. Total 2.20.
SWOT analysis. Strength. The first is PT Kimia Pharma Tbk has a long history in pharmaceutical industry in Indonesia. Second is PILC. The company name is already widely known, and some of the products have long been known for their quality in the community. Third is facilities, service location, and workers who serve and are open full time. Fourth is already has many branches and a wide distribution network throughout Indonesia. Fifth is always innovate and follow the development of trends from year to year. And the last is increasing use of information system for both internal and external use.
The weakness is too dependent on certain products, high cost, and lack of efficiency in the production process. Third, regulatory and bureaucratic issue in the pharmaceutical industry. Fourth, problems in supply chains management. And then corporate management that is regulated by the governments. And the last, strong competitions from international pharmaceutical companies.
Opportunities: increasing market demand for pharmaceutical products, and the need for better health education in the community, then opportunity to use digital technology in marketing and distribution, and then government support in providing better health services, and potential for diversifying the new products, and then potential for expansion in the international market.
Rates. The first is fierce competition from local and international pharmaceutical companies. Second is change in regulation that may affect business. Third is threats from cheaper imported products. Fourth is threats from new pharmaceutical companies entering the market. Fifth is negative influence of media and public opinion on the pharmaceutical industry. And the last is influence of political and regulatory change at the global level.
SWOT analysis. SO. First, increasing the marketing of generic drug sales competitively and at relatively low price and with good quality is an effort in the pharmaceutical industry competitions. Second, improving service and product diversification such as complementing with optics, cosmetic products, and information service and drug delivery to increase sales potential and service reach. And then first, the company is improving the package, especially for packaging, especially for generic drugs product. And the second, conducting product market socializations by optimizing health service to the community. ST. First, introducing generic drugs produced by Kimia Pharma. Competitive pharmaceutical products that have low price and good quality can increase people purchasing power. And the second, instilling the image and quality of PT Kimia Pharma Tbk original products and guaranteed quality and always control. And the last, increasing the distributions of the number of pharmacies throughout Indonesia and being able to penetrate the international market. And then the first company improvement include better packaging, especially for generic drugs product. And the last, conducting product marketing socializations by optimizing health service for community.
BCG analysis. Star. Kimia Pharma has anti-inflammatory drugs, antibacterial drug, vaccine product. In a question mark, it has healthy supplement product, skincare product, herbal medicine. Cashco, it has generic drug, basic healthcare products, and Doc, it has unpopular pharmaceutical products, less popular healthcare products.
Strategic alternative. Alternative strategic in the metric of relationship between competitiveness and environmental condition. This is the table of the strategic alternative.
Strategic alternative. One from the result of the internal strategy factor IVE and FE, the score calculation can be done by classifying into three categories, namely weak 1.0 until 1.9, medium 2.0 until 2.9, and then strong 3.0 until 4.0. So from the result of the IFE and EFE metric calculations, it can be seen that PT Kimia Pharma Tbk is in quadrant 5, namely hope and maintain defense and maintenance.
Strategic alternatives. This is the current strategy matrix. Kimia Pharma in the quadrant 2, which is market development, market penetration, product development, horizontal integration, divestiture, and liquidation.
Strategic alternative. Based on Kimia Pharma condition, it is located in quadrant 2, which has 6 alternative strategies. They are market development, market penetration, product development, horizontal integration, divestiture, and liquidation.
This is a strategic evaluation table, like when new channel of distribution are available that are reliable, inexpensive, and good of quality, and at central.
Strategic evaluation for Kimia Pharma in terms of market penetration, Kimia Pharma can implement when the usage rate of present customer could be increased significantly.
In strategic evaluation, in product development, appropriate condition for categories is when an organization has successful products that are in the maturity stage of the development life cycle. The idea here is to attract satisfied customer to try new products as result of their positive experience with the organization present products or service, and then when measure competitors offers better quality products at comparable price. And the last is when an organization competes is a high growth industry.
In strategic evaluations, horizontal integrations, when increased economies of scale provide major competitive advantage, and then when an organization competes in growing industry, and when an organization has both the capital and human talent needed to successfully manage an expanded organization, and the last, when competitors are faltering as a result of a lack of managerial expertise or a need for particular resources that an organization possesses.
Divestiture, appropriate condition when an organization has pursued a retrenchment strategy and failed to accomplish needed improvements. And then when the division is responsible for an organization's overall performance, and when a large amount of cash is needed quickly and cannot be obtained reasonably from other sources.
For liquidation, category S is when the stockholders of a firm can minimize their losses by selling the organization assets.
And then the last conclusions. The result of the internal factor analyzing using the IFE matrix produce a value of 2.20, which show the main strength of PT Kimia Pharma Tbk as a pharmaceutical company that has been widely known by the public. Meanwhile, if you look at the external factor analysis using the IFE matrix, it produces a value of 2.64. There are quite large opportunities that can be taken by PT Kimia Pharma Tbk, namely with the many requests for public service educations, the potential to diversify new products, and the potential for expansion in the international market. Based on the FE matrix analysis, the position of PT Kimia Pharma Tbk is currently in quadrant or cell 5, namely hold and maintain, with strategies that can be implemented are downsizing, divestment, and liquidation strategies. Kimia Pharma is recommended to use a market development strategy because Kimia Pharma fulfills more requirements to implement a market development strategy than other alternative strategies.
That's all.
Thank you for your attention. That's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.